Welcome to Nobody Drives. Like, subscribe, and comment for more. Let's start. When you think of 80 seconds action, one silhouette stands taller than any supercar. The black and red GMC Vandura from the A-Team, the van that stole the show. While Mr. T and Hannibal Smith were the faces of the series, the GMC Vandura was the true star. With its aggressive stance and unmistakable red stripe, it didn't just carry the team. It owned the screen. It was the ultimate character actor on wheels. This machine was built for chaos. We're talking about a van that survived impossible stunts, jumps that would snap an axle, explosive crashes, and intense off-road chases. The Vandura somehow always kept going, proving that its rugged GMC blood was ready for anything the script threw at it. It was the ultimate 80 seconds custom van. Those turbine-style wheels, the roof spoiler, and that massive bull bar. These muscular styling cues turned a humble work van into a pop culture superhero. It defined the cool van era for an entire generation. But it was more than transportation. For the A-Team, this van was their mobile HQ, their escape vehicle, and their workshop. It was a rolling symbol of rebellion, a home for soldiers of fortune on the run from the military. Finally, the Vandura is a symbol of practical cool. Unlike the Ferraris or Lamborghinis of the era, the A-Team van proved something unusual. An ordinary, everyday vehicle could become legendary with enough attitude and the right mission. The legend of the Vandura lives on in every black and red replica seen at car shows today. Thanks for watching Nobody Drives. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.